The care and maintenance of keloids. Finding a reason to live can lead down a road pockmarked with potholes and full of U-turns that lead you right back where you began. And when the ride got bumpy, I tried to kiss the guilt right out of your conscience, love the lies out of you, filling those empty spaces with pieces of myself. I held you so tightly you could no longer fall unless you took me with you. I would have gone gladly, and I did because you let go, then pushed. I begged to burn the truth into your eyes with promise as bright as a blowtorch, but the hope bled out of each slice of your razor and each flick of your bick. The care and maintenance of keloid scars of the soul proved to be much more trying than any salve could heal, and I have failed you. And now I fear that you will brand my name on your other thigh, beneath the names of those that came before, underneath the thumbtack piercings.